The city of Phoenix is fighting back against a lawsuit claiming that the city isn't doing enough to address concerns over a massive homeless encampment in downtown Phoenix.
We're talking about claims of violence, vandalism, trash, and other waste at public and private properties. Good evening, everyone. I'm Kariba Devine.
I'm Mark Curtis, and a warning tonight. Some parts of this story are sensitive. The I-Team's Erica Stapleton went out there today and breaks down why the city is pushing back.
In a count earlier this month, there were more than 800 people sleeping on the streets out here in an area known as the Zone. Some of them told us that the conditions out here are rough and help is sometimes hard to come by.
It's horrible.
Andrew here shared he'd rather roam the streets at night than sleep in the Zone.
A lot of people get beat up and robbed and pressured for drugs.
The homeless encampment is a few blocks away from the state's Capitol building in downtown Phoenix. More and more people started staying here during the pandemic. Shelter beds at the nearby Human Services campus are perpetually full.
There's hundreds of people in line in front of you for the beds that are available.
Last month, property and business owners around the Zone sued the city, claiming it's not doing enough to keep conditions safe and sanitary for residents, business owners, and the unsheltered population. The suit asks for a court to declare conditions in the Zone a public nuisance, which could prompt the city to take action.
In horrible conditions, they gotta go poop and pee in buckets.
Now, the city is filing to dismiss the case, claiming the city has discretion over how it enforces policies, and it doesn't have a constitutional duty to protect the plaintiff's property. Another filing states that homelessness is a pressing problem nationwide and caused by a multitude of factors, many of which are outside of the city's control. The city declined our request for an interview on the lawsuit, but said in an email that the motion to dismiss doesn't take away from the city's commitment to work on solutions with those involved in the complaint.
I've seen what you're talking about, and it is pretty disgusting.
Jennifer shared that she and her husband only started camping at the corner of 12th Ave and Jefferson this month.
Drug smoking, I've seen a lot of urinating. I've seen a lot of stuff that shouldn't be done on public streets.
In August, the 12 News I-Team uncovered that the city spent less than 10% of the nearly $100 million in COVID relief money allotted for homelessness and affordable housing. When it comes to the Zone, the city said in part that it's increased restrooms in the area and provides cleanups 3 days a week.
And I don't know what the city can do to clean it up other than provide more bathrooms, more housing, more showers, more everything.
An attorney for the plaintiffs said they plan to keep fighting this in court. In Phoenix, Erica Stapleton, 12 News.